Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to go to the GCash Help Center. First of all, open your GCash app or website and log in. On the main dashboard, tap the menu icon, usually found in the upper left or right corner. Um, from the menu, select Help Center. This will take you to GCash online support portal. Here you will find answers to common questions, browse categories, or use the search bar to find solutions specific to your issue. If you need further assistance, scroll down and tap Submit a ticket. Fill out the form with details about your concern and attach any relevant screenshots for faster resolution. And that's it. The GCash Help Center is your go-to place for resolving issues quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching.